Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of October 9th through the 15th in my catch-all planner using leftovers from this kit by PlannerKate. I'm going to be honest with you, I do not remember what this kit's title is called, but I have the sampler, and then this was like part of the kit that like with the deco and the boxes and all that stuff, and then you have all of the scripts. So that's the kit we're going to be using, and then to add some color, I pulled two washies that I thought matched pretty well. This one's not quite the same color as the pink in here. I feel like it's a pinkish purple, but it's close enough, and I don't really care that much if it's not quite the right match. So I thought these colors would work well with the spread. So I don't think I have anything else to share with you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this week. It is officially fall outside, you guys. All this week, it has been chilly. It has been just, the weather has been amazing. And y'all know that Florida's weather can be crazy weird. It can just be really hot one day and really cold the next. But in the summertime, it's always hot. And let me just tell you that this weather is amazing. I think it might be because this past week we had, I don't know really what it was because I don't really watch the news, but in my job we have like little TVs that have the news on it, and they were talking about how the wildfires from Canada, the smoke had been coming over to Florida. And that's why it was like super hazy and really weird like weather. I don't know if that's why it's really great weather outside, like as far as the cold goes, if they're like, if like all of the smoke is bringing in like lots of wind or something. I am not a weather person, and I did not do well in weather in high school when we had our weather lessons and such. So I have no idea how the weather is going and why it's like this, but I'm not complaining. I'm not saying anything. We're going to keep it quiet and pretend like everything is fine because the weather is amazing and it needs to stay that way. And if you're not from Florida and you're from a cold state, I'm sure you're like, no, it needs to stay hot longer. We enjoy this weather. No, y'all, please take all of the heat. Take it all. We want some cold. We want, you know, sweater weather and hot cocoa weather. And we really don't get that here in Florida. But when we do, the Floridians freak out. And I am also a Floridian, so I freak out too. But in a good way. Most of us are like, oh my gosh, it's so cold outside. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cold outside. I get very excited. So yes. So I decided to line the spine with some of this blue washi. And it's kind of wrinkly. Let me fix that. I don't know if that helped or not, but we're not going to say anything. So yes. I lined the spread with this washi just so that it gets a little bit not crazy looking and the washi isn't weird. So I'm just going to be putting stickers down on here. I don't really have a thought for how I want to do this, and I'm really hoping I'm going to have enough stickers to cover the spread. I think we will, but there's a big question mark on that. And I don't want it to, I don't want to not have enough, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to lay down all of the boxes first. I don't know why I put this one here. One thing that I do like about PlannerKate's stickers is that her stickers are very easy to peel up. When you accidentally lay one down, they peel up pretty nicely. Which is nice for me because y'all know I can't lay down stickers correctly the first time to save my life. And I just go crazy with sticker layering and adding things. So see, I can't lay it down straight even though there are lines showing me, you know, hey, this is a straight line right here, and I just ignore it. Anyway, so how have you guys been? How has your weekend been? Did you guys do anything fun for this week? Are you planning on doing anything fun this week? What are your plans? Let me know. I would love to chat with you. Okay, so technically this sticker is not from PlannerKate. This is actually a sticker from Redhead Stickers, but it is a Monday through Sunday box. And you guys know, if you've seen my Plan With Me's before, that I like to track my work schedule every week so I can see what is going on with my OT and all of that gross fun stuff. I have been working a lot of long hours, and that's not really surprising because it is Halloween season and we do tend to work more in Halloween season, I've noticed, than Halloween and Christmas, really, than the summertime. So I'm okay with it because it's cooler weather. As long as it's not boiling hot, I'm okay to work like 10, 12-hour days. I just don't like to work 10, 12-hour days. I mean, like, who does? Who does like to work that much? But some people do. So yeah, I've been working a lot. So I've been having to track my OT a lot more. And I have had back-to-back, like, super long shifts these past few weeks. So I don't mind it. Like I said, it's not a big deal for me, but it does help to have that schedule box there. And this way I can save money for Black Friday. Are you guys gonna be purchasing anything come Black Friday? Do you have any shops that you are going to check out? I know for sure I'm going to be getting stuff from Redhead Stickers because I love Chandel's shop. I have been on her PR team for almost a year and a half, I think, and I love it. So I'm definitely going to be getting some stuff from her. I'm going to be getting lots of stickers from Growing Modestly because I have missed, oh, I ripped that. That is unfortunate. I was going to say, I have missed her shop being open, and Black Friday / Cyber Monday are some of the best times to get good stickers. So if you guys have any that you think I should check out and get stuff from, let me know because I would love to save some money on stickers, but also I would love to support a small business because we know I love them. I decided I wanted to have a, oh, that is so crooked. I wanted to have a weekend banner, like, banner. I wanted another, like, layer of fun to the top part of the spread. So let's add these boxes here. So I think we're going to add this one right there. And this one up here. Okay, let me do plans. So well, first I do need a to-do list. So let's use this box here on Thursday, and we're going to make Thursday the to-do list area. Okay, so let me get some plans down here. So we've got, let's see here. I don't know. Oh, I have a to-go. I want to see if I have a to-do. Okay, so we do need to do payday. We do want to have, well, laundry day is a yes. Planning time is a yes. Trash day is a yes. Order groceries, pick up groceries. Oh, I think I actually have a doctor's appointment this week. No, it is next week that I have my doctor's appointment, so that is nice. Okay, so let's get these plans on. everyone, that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using this adorable autumn kit by PlannerKate. If you guys want to get this kit and it's still available on her website, I will leave it in the description box. Otherwise, I will just leave PlannerKate's information so you guys can check them out when you want to. I am not on an affiliate or a rep team for PlannerKate. I just really love her stickers. So if you guys are interested in seeing other things that she has, definitely check them out. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and check out the description box below. There will be different playlists related to different kinds of planner content and different layouts, from my catch-all to budget to wellness to social media. If you want to see how I do the dashboard layout, definitely check out that description box. Like I said, all links will be there, different playlists. If you want to support some of the small shops that I do represent and I do PR for, definitely check out that description box. Once again, everything will be in my link tree. You can see all of the different shops that I am currently on a PR or an affiliate team for, and you can use that code or that link to save yourself some money. Affiliates will be clearly marked as affiliates, so you do not have to worry if you're using a code that is affiliate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational to you. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.